The paste or flour paste is used as an adhesive in different projects. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make it. We will need a small pot where we can make the paste, preferably one with Teflon so it doesn't stick. A plastic container with a lid. A cup of water. Cornstarch or flour. A spoon, tablespoon, and optional as our sugar. The first thing we are going to do is take the pot and pour a cup of water into it. Then we turn on the stove to low heat and put the water to heat. Meanwhile, in a container, we put 3 tablespoons of flour. Then we slowly add water to dilute the flour. Keep mixing so that no lumps form. And when it is completely diluted and the water is hot, pour it into the pot. Immediately after pouring, start mixing. When the mixture is fully integrated, leave it there on low heat, waiting for it to thicken. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. If you feel that your mixture is becoming too diluted, add a little flour gradually and mix immediately to prevent them from forming lumps. When you have a consistency like this, pasty, but not too thick, it's time to turn off the heat. We continue stirring a little, and then, if you want, you can add sugar to make the paste more resistant. And we leave our mixture to cool down. When the mixture is warm, we pour it into the plastic container. This amount of paste is enough to make a medium-sized piñata. Once you've poured it, you can use it warm to start the project or wait for it to cool to cover and store. Remember that this product has no preservatives, so you should use it within 1 or 2 days at most. Done. We're finished.